Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to allow your camera and microphone on Google Chrome 2025. So there can be multiple reasons after logging or installing your Google Chrome. Suddenly your camera and microphone is not working or is not allowed to work. So let me show you how you can fix that. So for that, after you search for any website here, you can see a menu, settings menu right here, and here if you click on here you can see that site settings. Here you click on that, and you can see here the camera and microphone option here. It can be selected block. If you are not, your camera and microphone is not working, you just have to click on allow on both of them and just get back onto the website, uh, and just reload your browser, and you are good to go. And if this method not working with you, then you can select another way, like you again click on the menu and click on site settings. After that you have click on privacy and security. Here you can see the site settings menu. You have to click on that, and as you can see the permissions uh, options, and there are camera, microphone. You just go to the camera and just select the camera option here, and if don't allow sites to use your camera is enabled, you make sure to enable sites can ask to use your camera. And same goes for the microphone. You just have to select the microphone from here, and you just have to click on sites can ask to use your microphone from here, and you just come back on and just reload your browser, and now you are good to uh, use your camera and microphone on Google Chrome. So that's it for this video. See you on the another one.